In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sharpen image in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring out crisp detail in a photo using the built-in Sharpen control while keeping everything natural and clean. Sharpening doesn't invent detail. It increases contrast along edges so textures look clearer. We'll move carefully to avoid halos and grain. First, open Adobe Express. Once the home screen loads, you'll see your recent projects and quick actions along the top. We'll begin with a fresh workspace so our edits are focused. Next, click Start New Design. This opens a new canvas and the editing interface, with your toolbar on the left and contextual options on the right. If a template picker appears, don't worry about selecting a specific size. The sharpening control works the same, and you can resize later if needed. From here, choose the sample option so you have a quick image to practice on. This is helpful if you just want to test the effect before committing to a final photo. The sample loads onto the canvas and becomes your active layer. Now, select Media. This is the gateway to your images. You can browse your device, your libraries, or other connected sources. Selecting Media ensures Adobe Express knows you want to work with photos rather than text or shapes. Go ahead and select the photo you want to enhance. Once it's placed on the canvas, make sure the image layer is highlighted. If it's not, click it once so the adjustment tools apply to the correct item. At this point, you can quickly fit the image to the canvas or center it, but the key is that the photo is active. With the photo selected, click Adjust, then find Sharpen. You'll see a slider that controls the intensity. Start low and increase slowly while watching key details like eyes, hair, fabric weave, or architectural edges. A little goes a long way. Too much can create crunchy outlines or accentuate noise. For the most accurate view, zoom to 100% as you make changes. If you go too far, drag the slider back or use Reset to return to the original. When it looks crisp but still natural, stop. Subtlety is what sells the effect. That's it. You opened Adobe Express, started a new design, chose a sample, selected media, picked your photo, and used Adjust to sharpen it with confidence. Thanks for watching, and enjoy giving your images that clean, refined,